Hello friends, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that why should one know English? If I know English, what will happen? If I don't know English, what will happen? That should be there in my mind before buying anything from the market. Suppose we go to market to purchase the thing. First, what do we decide? We decide the need. Is it necessary or is it useful for me or not? We do not buy unnecessary or useless things from the market. In the same way, if we decide to learn English, first I should know why it is important. Why should I know it? What will happen if I know English? What will happen if I don't know English? That should be there in my mind. And if I realize the need of this language, then I will start learning it. Otherwise, why unnecessary I will learn this language? I am doing very well in Hindi as well. Then I want to throw some light on the need of English. Children, nowadays or in the present hour, English has become oxygen. Generally, while teaching to the students, I usually say one thing: English is equal to oxygen. Means how oxygen is important for us. In the same way, English is important. Not important, it is necessary. It is the need of the hour. If I don't know English, I will have to miss many things together. So today we are going to throw some light on the need of this language, how this language will help me in my day-to-day life, and how it would develop my personality. So children, first, in my domestic life, I can survive through any language. If I know Hindi, that is okay. If I know Marwadi, I can talk in Marwadi and Mewadi as well. But when we talk about the professional life, it is very important in our professional life. In my family, I can talk in any language. At my village, I can talk in any language. In the market, I can speak Hindi or Mewadi, whatever I am convenient. People will talk to me in the same language. But when I am teaching in an English medium school, there I will have to speak English only. Otherwise, my director will say, okay, you are not needed here. So in the professional life, one needs English. Second thing, it is the second language of instruction. Suppose you go somewhere, people either understand Hindi or understand English, and if you have got command over both the languages, then you will be convenient. You will be able to impress the masses and you will make them understand. If they understand Hindi, you know better Hindi, and if they understand English, you have also good command over the language. So in this way, you will have a very good chance to impress the masses. And the next thing, majority of people know English. Whether you know English or not, that makes no difference. Whether I know English or not, that makes no difference. But majority of people speak English, understand English, and communicate in English. So I will have to move with the masses. Before 50 years, English was not important. Even before 20 years, English was not so important. But today, English is really very important, and we will have to realize the need, and we will have to make efforts on that. And it has become the status symbol also. Symbol of status. If we find some person speaking English, we think he is a standard person. What is the standard there? The standard of language only. There is no other standards. So if we are getting standard of a language and people think that we are standard, then why not? What is needed? Only some of us. Why can't we speak? We can speak. But we will have to learn it, we will have to master it, we will have to practice it. And the medium of expression. Whatever knowledge we have, that needs to express. And there are only two ways to express your knowledge. Either you can write or you can speak. And in both the cases, we need a language. But I can express my knowledge in Hindi, in English, or in some other languages. But one needs to express his knowledge in the language which is spoken and understood by many people. And here English is spoken and understood by thousands of the masses. It has become international language, and it is international language, not has become. It is already international language, so we will have to understand it. So, and one more thing, it is not our choice, it is the need. Some people say that it is not like hobby, that we learn gardening and knitting and other things, drawing, like that. So English is not a hobby, it is the need of the hour. It is today's demand. If we want to survive in the market, we will have to learn it. You cannot escape from English. Where you will escape? Everywhere, wherever you go. Suppose you get any letter from any government or any private department or whatever we do, actually we get English everywhere. So today or tomorrow we will have to learn to develop our personality, and it is not our choice, it is not the hobby, it is the need of the hour, and we will have to realize the need, and we will have to make plannings, and we will have to learn it, and it will definitely give you confidence. If you have very good knowledge of some subject and only because of the lack of this language, you are lagging behind, that is a very bad thing. That should not be there. And language can be learned. It is a language. We have learned Hindi. We know Hindi. We speak Hindi very well. So language learning ability is there within us. Within us, we can. If one can learn Hindi, one can also learn English. But actually, we will have to put our efforts, and we will definitely, and it will improve your personality. It will develop your personality. And today in the corporate world, everywhere English is required, and in some of the cases and in some of the interviews even English questions are asked, and there people cannot perform well. So it is very urgent for us, and we should make some plannings. And today in this video I have just told you how English is important, and we cannot survive in the modern world without this language. And in my next video we will discuss that how one can master the language, how one can learn English, what are the essentials of learning this English, what one can do to master this language, and all such things will be discussed in a very well manner. And it is my promise that very soon I will try to make you a good speaker, a good communicator as well. Keep watching videos, and we will meet in the next video. And very soon we are going to start a communication program, and that program will go on for many days, and you will know many things on this platform. So be in contact with me. Thank you very much once again. Thank you for listening me with patience. Thank you.